everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a review of what I ended up sending my partner for the coffee sleeve swap that was hosted by myself and Brenda. I will link everybody that was on the swap down on the description below, so you guys can go over and check everybody out. And thank you, Brenda, for being an amazing partner. So like I said, I will link everybody down on the description below. And what I ended up using for my coffee sleeve swap was both the paper pad from Maggie Holmes Carousel and the digital from her carousel. So I did have to print some items and make them small, big, etc. So yeah, so anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. I am in the process of packaging everything up, so hopefully everything fits in here. And I did decorate this box that I had here at home, so let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So I had seen somebody, can't remember who it was, that had this die, and I found it at AliExpress. And oh my goodness, so cute, the ribbon one. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So I went ahead and it was for the coffee sleeve. It was two sets of embellishments, so that would have been a total of 4. The coffee sleeve decorated, an ATC and a pocket letter, and I think that was it. So it was an easy, simple swap. Anyways, so here is my ATC. Sorry for the glare. So I did do a coffee. I don't know, hopefully she could tell it's a coffee. It's a coffee die that I have from Sizzix, and it's a very small one. So I went ahead and did the die cut it and put it in there. And then of course I did the, oh my goodness, the ephemera from the digital. So there you go. Oh, and we had to do a banner. Oh, I forgot about that. So anyways, here is my pocket letter. I went ahead and did a tassel, a ribbon tassel there, and there. That's what it looks like. So I did have to bling it up. So there you go. And then where is my? Sorry, you guys. I have everything. Like, I had them in the box, and then I just threw them out. Oh wait, where's my coffee sleeve? Ooh, I'm missing my coffee sleeve, you guys. I know I have it in here. Okay, what happened to it? Did I put it somewhere where I didn't know where I placed it at? Oh, it's missing. It went anywhere, you guys. It was just here on this table. I found it, you guys. It just like flew off, and it was just hiding. Oh, I was like, I know I did it. So anyways, okay, so here is my coffee sleeve. Okay, so we were supposed to get a coffee sleeve or make up one of your own, and this is what I ended up doing. I did go ahead and do a few layers, and isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that is cute. And then this was in here. That's how it flew off, and I was supposed to be. There you go. So that goes in here. And this one in here. Okay, so that was it. That's all it's going to fit in mine. And then the pocket letter, you guys saw that. And then I did an extra set of embellishments. This is my second set, and these are oh my goodness, this die, of course, it's a KS craft die, but these are bag toppers. Oh my goodness, I did that. And then I went ahead and did some rosettes for her. And then I did embellish this one, and I left this empty. And then, oh, so this one, I still have to put some stuff in here, but I did put some embellishments back here. And this is, I did put my address on that one. And then I made this cute little bows. And then I did the bottle cap. Okay, and then I also, this is my banner. Hopefully, there you guys go. Here's my banner. So hopefully you guys can see it. I do apologize. And that is basically it. And I did make a memory decks card. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. I love using the camera. My goodness, you guys are going to see a lot of repeat items, which is amazing. It's so cute. And so, yeah, that's it for what I'm sending my partner. So I just wanted to, come back with you guys and show you guys how I am basically putting this together, and hopefully my partner likes it. This is what I put one of the last one in there. Hopefully my partner does like what I ended up creating for her. And yeah, anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Don't forget to check everybody else that participated in this swap to see what they ended up creating. And I can't wait to see what everybody did create. Anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.